Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Risha Fatima from CID News Network, Islamabad. The Hazara tribe refused to bury the bodies of the slain miners. The demand is justice and they want PM Khan to visit them. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari and Maryam Nawaz visited the protesters of Hazara community and they addressed them. Traffic disputed in Karachi as the protests are happening in 20 sites of Karachi for the Hazara killings. US Congress certifies Joe Biden and Harris winners of 2020 elections and they say that they should take their oath of their offices on January 20th. One shot dead, 52 arrests are made after pro-Trump demonstrators storm US Capitol. Leaders around the world condemned the storming of the US Capitol by supporters of Donald Trump on Wednesday, expressing shock at the chaos unfolding in a country they once relied upon for global leadership. Turkey's foreign ministry called on all parties in the US to use moderation and common sense as supporters of US President Donald Trump stormed the Capitol building. The peace talks between the Taliban and Kabul government to bring peace in Afghanistan are resumed in Doha. Sudan signed the Abraham Accords with the US, paving the way for the African country to normalize ties with Israel. The world's largest Muslim majority country, Indonesia, hopes for a halal ruling before mass vaccination of COVID-19. The active cases of COVID-19 patients are 37,740 in Pakistan, whereas 54 died in the past few hours.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.